Did you ever ask yourself why we have to wake up early in the morning? First, if you wake up early in the morning, by the time you set for yourself, you accomplish first task of the day. That will encourage you to complete another task, another. And at the end of the day, you will accomplish so many tasks. Sounds so practical, right? And if you apply it, you will too face the same scenario. The second reason, wake up early in the morning reinforced me even small things in your life matter a lot. We all know that, once we can't do small things right, it's never possible to do big things right. For me, these are the two reasons reinforced me to wake up early in the morning. For you, it may be different. For you, for example, it may be to lose weight by going to gym or by walking or by running. Or for you, it may be something different. So the point is very simple. How strong your why to wake up early in the morning, how easy it is. So just fix the basic reason why you have to wake up early in the morning. Now continue how we can achieve those things. Now I like to share my story here. 4 years back, when I was studying second year of college, I posted this pic on Facebook. After 4 years, my body looked like this on caption it. After I posted, I got so many comments about myself. You don't even wake up early in the morning, then how you can get it? Some of my friends trolled me, and some of my friends say practical reasons. You never hit a gym, how you can get it? Like so many of them said. But I strongly believe on that time I will become like that. You know what? I went gym just 2 days continuously, and after that I exhausted, and never I went back for a month. And then again I went to gym. It passed away for 1 week, and then after that feel same, exhausted. Likewise, I tried so many different times, past 3 years, but I never wake up early in the morning even for a month itself. But then, this year, I strongly believe definitely I have to incorporate that habit, wake up early in the morning. On January, I woke up early in the morning just for 5 days. On February, I woke up only 6 days. But on March, I woke up early in the morning every single day, last 4 weeks. And I analyze myself, what are the things I did newly to wake up early in the morning. That 5 things at last I concluded. That 5 things I'm going to share with you for the next couple of minutes. The first thing I noticed is I forgot myself that I have snooze option. Because on first, if I have to wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning, I myself set alarm like 5:45 and 5:50, then 6 a.m., then 5 a.m. like this. And each time it rings, I snooze it and then I stop. Likewise, it continues. That's why I never wake up on the time I set. So this month, from day one itself, I never snooze it. Rather, I follow the 5-second rule. I will share clearly about what is 5-second rule. The 5-second rule is nothing but, once alarm ring, just count yourself inside your mind. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And very next second, you have to get up on your bed. The 5-second rule is so simple and super effective. Because, each time when alarm ring, so many tasks comes into mind. Like on that time itself, you are so tired. You need so many times. You need to sleep. It's okay to sleep at least a day. Likewise, you have so many tasks. But if you apply this 5-second principle, it's easy to wake up on the time. The next one is schedule your morning very clearly. From the second alarm ring to at least next 1 hour, you need to have clear schedule. What are the things you have to do? To schedule for the morning, one thing you have to keep in mind, you may be, so passionate about dancing or singing or running or even workout on the gym. Just consider those things to schedule yourself on the morning, because those things are really helpful to wake up early in the morning for the on time. The next thing which helps me to wake up early in the morning is have like-minded buddies with me. Just few seconds before I explain, schedule your morning by the things you like the most. Personally, nowadays I like the most thing to do in the morning is running. For that, I have one buddy. Even he also like to do running every single day in the morning. In some days, unfortunately, we need to complete so many tasks, right? That leads into sleep late night. And those kind of times, I miss to set alarm. But my buddy never missed to call me on morning to wake up early in the morning. So just have a buddy, like-minded buddy. Definitely, if you do work together, it will be more funny and enjoyable. The last and final thing you have to incorporate is, just give rewards to yourself. Just give positive and protective rewards to yourself. For me, I love sweets very much. So, if I complete an entire task of a week, on Sunday I treat myself to eat so many sweets on Sunday only. Because, if you eat everyday sweets, including Sunday if you eat, it never treat as a reward. So, entire week I have to wait for sweet, and on Sunday itself I have to eat, means, my mind craving for sweet. So, even that thing helps me to complete a task on each single day. For you, it may be biryani or any kind of things. If you like it, just wait for 1 week and have it. But you need to have only if you complete the task of the week. So yeah friends, these are the 5 things which helps me to wake up early in the morning. At last, I like to say only one thing. Even for the simple task to wake up early in the morning on the time I said, I failed more than 1461 days. But then I never quit. Rather, I believe in myself and I keep on trying it. That helps me to achieve what I want. That's what I try to say. If you set a goal and faced failure, it's okay. Just try again and fail again. But never ever give up.